Hello everyone, how are you all? Let's crack 9th and 10th CBSE with India's largest learning platform and academy. Crack all the CBSE exams with us. All the top educators are going to teach you the quality content and you are going to have a great learning experience. Hello my dear scholars, I am G. Vijay Manorama. As teaching is my passion, I am here. You can find more about me at the rate of Manovedam 7472. Here it is a super short introduction about me. As I like to inspire students to set their goals and achieve that, I have mentored many students in NTSC and CBSE board examinations. So crack all the CBSE exams with India's largest learning platform by taking the Plus subscription so that you can access unlimited live and recorded courses from India's best educators. इंडिया के जितने भी बेस्ट एजुकेटर्स हैं आपको इसी प्लेटफॉर्म पे मिलेंगे. So where they'll take daily live classes, structured courses, live tests and quizzes, and unlimited access. With one subscription, you can go for all the live and recorded courses you can watch from your comfortable device. Only the thing is your internet signal should be very strong. So multiple educators are there who are going to teach you in this platform so that you can choose of your own choice. आप जिनसे चाहे आप उनसे पढ़ सकते हैं, कोई भी रेस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है. तो ये बहुत अच्छा ऑप्शन है. ओके, सो स्पेशल क्लासेस डेली, I take special classes daily which is free. Okay, this Sunday also, Sunday 6 marathon. I'm going to conduct physics marathon. In that marathon, I'm going to cover all the light, 3 chapters I'm going to cover: light, electricity, and magnetic effects of current. 3 chapters. 3 chapters I'm going to cover which are free. Okay, it is from 1 o'clock to 3:30. Okay, 1 o'clock to 3:30 the session will be. So every day 6 o'clock and 2 o'clock I take the classes where I am conducting now physics numericals. It is going on at 2 p.m. Okay, it will go with physics and chemistry also, chemistry and bio also. And NTSC every day is how I am conducting here 1000 PYQs in the YouTube channel. Same like that only. There it is going with science and math. Science, complete physics, chemistry, bio, everything is including, math also including there. So both the platforms are very nice. You follow me here. Go to my profile in the Unacademy app. Follow me there. Give me hats. Watch my videos. You will get a lot of knowledge. That I can assure you. So, okay, quiz on 1000 PYQs of NTSC. Already it is going on every day without any break. Okay. So just join me there also every day at 6 p.m. So here we have the creative corner which is giving as a complimentary with CBSE subscription. You can just go for it. Very nice opportunity it is. You can learn Vedic maths, doodling, public speaking, origami, magic tricks, debating, mnemonics, robotics, storytelling, poetry. These all things in with one subscription only. Okay, we have two different types of subscription: plus subscription and iconic subscription. So all the benefits you will get here along with this plus subscription benefits. Okay, so daily India's best educators will teach interactive live sessions, live tests and quizzes, and creative corner here. No, so here in the iconic you will get an extra personal mentorship, one person, one to one it will go. So live doubts clearing sessions will be there. Parent connect means PTAs we conduct in the schools. No, teachers, principals, they conduct management. So here an academy is uh, connecting with the parents also, so that where you can focus. So everything in a clear cut way. Every child, about the child, every parent want to know. So that is very good benefit here. So study planner also will be provided to you. Okay, so what are the fee structures? Once let me tell you. When you are applying my code, you will get a 10% of reduction. So here we have 1 month, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, 18 months, 36 months also option is there. 18 months वाला नया है, अभी जुड़ा है. तो यहाँ अगर प्लस में अगर लेंगे 1 month, 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, it is the costs are like this. You have the EMI facility also after 6 months. 1 month no EMI is there. 1 month means 1 month only, no? Okay, so SP Vijaya is my special class code. You can apply any code VM CBSE or SP Vijaya, any code you can use for 10% of reduction and happy learning, and the goal is for all A1. Okay, so definitely you will get. So here you can see 6 months 17,000, 12 months का 28,000, 18 months का 35,000, 24 months का 48,000 लगेगा. So what is the thing you have to do? You have to use my code VM CBSE or else SP. Yeah. Okay. So daily live classes going on, special classes, my special classes which are free, you people are attending. That is 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. every day. Okay. So now it's time to prepare with all the top educators. These are few of the top educators who are teaching in this platform the comprehensive syllabus of mathematics, social science, Hindi, English, and science, which is included in physics 5. So we are in touch with Telegram app also. Question CBSE is our channel where you will get all the updates there. Okay, all the subjects updates. अन अकेडमी लर्निंग ऐप आपको इंस्टॉल करना है. इंस्टॉल करने के बाद BM CBSE डाल के सब्सक्रिप्शन है. लर्निंग ऐप डाउनलोड करना बेटा. ओके. So as a part of 1000 PYQs NTSC, here I am conducting every day at 2 p.m. This class is going on. So today we are going to learn Punjab. I have forget to mention here Punjab. पंजाब का पेपर सॉल्व करते हैं. Okay, here we go. The first question: a ball is thrown. A ball is thrown vertically upwards. A ball is thrown upwards vertically. Okay, so the greatest height to which it will raise and time taken t to attain its height is given by. So here, according to the law of motions only, according to the equations of motion only, so 0 equal to u minus gt against the gravity, so minus t is equal to u by g. Okay, t is equal to u by z. So that only in the form of third motion equation is there, no? V square minus u square is equal to 2as. That if you substitute, so v is 0 degrees, sorry, 0 square u square minus 2gs. Okay, s is the height, s equal to u square by. यहाँ टाइम भी पता चल गया, यहाँ ये भी पता चल गया. तो ऑप्शन 4 इज द राइट आंसर. ओके, 4 इज द राइट आंसर. So t is equal to u by g. S is equal to u square by 2. Okay, chalo. Next question: what is the equivalent resistance between A and B? Very very easy question. Only little turns were given. How they are connected? Just tell me how they are connected. They are connected. These all are connected in series. R in series equal to 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6 equal to 2 6 the. They are not in series. How they are connected? They all are in parallel, not in series. Sorry. Okay. तो R इक्वल टू क्या होगा इसका? 6 2 12 आ जाएगा. 1 by 2 1 by 2 all are in parallel only, no? They are connected like this. They are connected in parallel to each other. 1 by RP equal to 6 by 12. Okay. So these two are in parallel, no? Hmm? This and these are in parallel. So 1 by Rp equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by, okay? Okay. तो यहाँ ले लो 1 प्लस 3 इक्वल टू 1 इक्वल टू 4 बाई 12 1 बाई, तो आर पी कितना हो गया, आर कितना आया 3 ओम्स आ गया. ओके. So this is the right answer. Fourth is the correct option for this. Next, a lady is standing in front of a magic mirror. This is the third answer. A lady is standing in front of a magic mirror. She finds the image of her head bigger. ये डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है फ्रॉम द एनसीईआरटी ऑफ 10th. एस चांद का. She finds the image of her head bigger. The middle portion of her body of same size and that of legs smaller. Which of the following is the correct order of combination for the magic mirror from the top? Okay, a lady is standing in front of a magic mirror. She is standing. Okay, she finds the image of her head bigger. In which mirror you will find the bigger images? When it is very, you are standing closer only, no, to watch. You will not stand somewhere else. So first one it is concave. And that the middle portion of the body is of same size. सेम साइज अगर दिख रहा है तो वो प्लेन हो जाएगा. सेम साइज. बिगर, head bigger because very close, so it is of same size. Okay, and that of the legs are smaller. हो गया आपका कॉन्वेक्स. कॉन्वेक्स में आपको स्मॉलर इमेज फॉर्म होता है. ओके, सो कॉनकेव, प्लेन एंड कॉन्वेक्स. 4 इज द राइट आंसर. ओके, नेक्स्ट वाला देखो, फोर्थ वाला. एन इलेक्ट्रिक केटल. An electric kettle consumes 1 kilowatt of electric power when operated at 220 volts. A fuse wire of what rating must be used for it? Okay, a fuse wire of what rating must be used for it? देखो इसका क्या होगा. Solve it. What are the things given? P equal to 1000 watts. You have to convert it. P equal to 220 volts is given. फ्यूज वायर का रेटिंग पूछा गया है, मतलब करंट. I equal to P by V. So P is given as 1000 by 220 volts. Okay, so 50 by 11 you will get. 50 by 11 का क्या होगा, 4.5 amperes. So if you want a fuse wire rating must be little bigger, no, that's why 5 amperes is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. So 5 amperes is the correct answer. Little bigger you have to take. If you take the 4 amperes, 4 amperes वाला अगर लेंगे तो वो तो it is not sufficient to work this electric kettle. So that's why bigger than that only you have to take. So don't get confused that you did not get the answer. So you have to solve and understand. There are two different types of circuits, no? Lightning circuit and power circuit. Lightning circuits need 5 amperes. Power circuits need 15 amperes of current. Remember that. Okay, next वाला देखो. Fifth one. A person cannot see distinct objects distinctly kept beyond 2 meters. This defect can be corrected by the which type of lens and what is its power? Fifth वाले का देखो. हाँ, फिफ्थ वाले का सॉल्व करो जल्दी से. क्या आएगा, 2 meters P is equal to 1 by F, 1 by 2, कितना आएगा 0.5, okay, equal to कॉनकेव लेंस हो जाएगा, concave lens is myopia, cannot see the object distinctly, so myopia it is, so the lens is minus, concave lens का focal length क्या होता है माइनस होता है, so 0.5 d is the power, so concave lens is the answer. Okay, so next question, sixth question, easy peasy, action and reaction according to Newton's law, third law acts on where they act. What is Newton's third law? For every action there is a equivalent opposite reaction. Okay, so same body in opposite direction, different bodies in same direction, different bodies in opposite direction. Okay, अगर एक रॉकेट ऊपर जा रहा नीचे फायर है, so the action of this takes the rocket up. Okay, sixth वाले का action and reaction according to the Newton's third law acts at different bodies in opposite direction. Okay, next, a passenger in a moving bus tosses a coin which falls behind him. It means that motion of the bus is, the motion of a bus is accelerated. If it is moving with a constant, if a man will passenger will toss, it will come to its own hand. Okay, so it means it is accelerated. Okay, it is also Newton's laws of motion. Newton's laws of motion. Okay, next, eighth वाला देखते हैं. A current of 2 amperes is drawn by a filament by an electric bulb. Number of electrons passing through a cross section of the filament is 8 seconds. Would be approximately. बता दो. What is the formula? I equal to Q by T. तो यहाँ number of electrons passing through पूछा गया था, Q is equal to Ne. So two formulas we have, I equal to Q by T and Q is equal to Ne. Okay. Okay. So what is asked? I equal to Ne by T. Okay. So I कितना दिया है 2 amperes, 2 equal to N into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 Ne. Okay, 8 seconds. Time is given as 8 seconds. So N equal to 16 into 10 to the power of 19 by 1.6. This minus 19 will go up. Okay. So what is the answer? This also will be added. These two will get cancelled. So 10 into 10 to the power of 20. Okay, this is the answer. So a current of 2 amperes is drawn by the filament by an electric bulb. Number of electrons का formula डाल दो, Q is equal to Ne. So passing through a cross section of filament 8 seconds. Time also given, so substitute both the values and just get it. 9. Very easy direct question. Direct question है. Voltage can be written as, okay, V is equal to W by Q. So V is equal to W by Q कहीं है. Voltage can be written as divided by work done into charge into time. No, work done into time by time. Current also mentioned. So I is equal to Q by T. Okay. So Q is equal to I into T. I into T. So what is here? Okay, V is equal to W by I into T. So work done by current into time. So which one is the right option? Third is the right answer. है कि नहीं? ऐसे क्वेश्चंस देने से सबको फर्स्ट रैंक आ जाएगा. ओके, फिर द 10th one. The strength of magnetic field inside a long current carrying straight solenoid. ओके, कल ही हमने सोलोनाइड के बारे में पढ़ा था ना. आज ही 9 o'clock को पढ़ेंगे सोलोनाइड के बारे में. ओके, द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इनसाइड अ लॉन्ग करंट कैरिंग straight solenoid is minimum in the middle, more at the ends than at the center, same at all points, found to increase from one end to another. Inside, यहाँ वर्ड देखो, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इनसाइड अ लॉन्ग करंट कैरिंग स्ट्रेट सोलेनॉइड. इनसाइड क्या होता है? यूनिफॉर्म होता है. सेम एट ऑल पॉइंट्स. ओके, इनसाइड सेम at all points. It is inside. MF side. Okay. देखते हैं अभी 11th वाला. In which of the following situations the distance moved and the magnitude of displacement are equal? बता दो जल्दी, चैट बॉक्स में लिख दो. NTSC का एग्जाम ऑलरेडी 15 days ओवर. बहुत 1.5 month है completely. December 13th को है ना. So by December 1st you have to finish off all the chapters so that we can revise once more. Crash course also I am planning to launch next month, November में. तब दिसंबर के लिए रेडी हो जाना. In which of the following situations the distance moved and the magnitude of displacement are equal? Okay, the pendulum is moving to and fro, moon is revolving around the earth, boy is sitting in moving merry-go-round, or a bus is moving on a straight road. Okay, the distance moved and the magnitude of displacement are equal when they are moving on a when the bus is moving on a straight road. Okay, D is the right option. Here, distance and displacement both are as only, no, same, equal. Okay, distance and displacement both will be equal. तो ये है आपका 12th क्वेश्चन. देखते हैं. Ocean thermal energy is due to. What is ocean thermal energy? Energy stored by waves in the motion, pressure difference at different levels in the ocean, or tides rising out in the ocean, or temperature difference at different level. What is ocean thermal energy? Ocean thermal energy due to ocean, the layer which forms in the form of ice. Okay, the water near the surface of the ocean is heated up to a higher temperature than deep water by the sun. Okay, so what is the difference you will find? In tropical region, surface water can be much warmer than the deep water. Okay, so the temperature difference is around, write down chat box if you know, it is 20 degrees Celsius or more. ओके, सो ये जो अपर लेयर में होता है ये ड्यू टू द सनलाइट इट स्टार्ट्स मेल्टिंग. तो यहाँ जो होता है दिस इज वार्म and this is cold. Okay, so warm surface water is pumped through a evaporator containing a working fluid, a volatile liquid called as ammonia, which is there, which vaporizes. The vaporized fluid drives the turbine to produce the electricity through the generator. So here the difference between these layers is 20 degrees Celsius and above or more it is present. Okay, so ocean thermal energy is due to the energy stored by the waves in the ocean or pressure difference at different levels in the ocean और टाइड्स अराइजिंग आउट ऑफ द ओशन और द टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस। हो गया ना, कंफर्म हो गया ना, कौन सा ऑप्शन होगा? फोर्थ वाला ऑप्शन, ऑप्शन 4 इज द राइट आंसर। ओके, चलो मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। 13th one. The major problem in harnessing nuclear energy is how to split nucleus or sustain the reaction or dispose of spent fuel safely और कन्वर्ट न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी। कौन सा ऑप्शन होगा, जल्दी से बता दो। न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी, व्हाट इज न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी? इट इज न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी इज द एनर्जी स्टोर्ड इन द न्यूक्लियस ऑफ एन एटम। ओके, in the nucleus of an atom, whatever the energy is stored, that is only called as nuclear energy. So the splitting of the nucleus is not a big deal. Okay, the principle which is behind that, E is equal to mc square. So splitting is not a big deal, हो जाता है। So sustain the reaction रहता है। So main problem is disposing of the spent fuels safely, that is very very difficult. So that's why so many are against that also. Okay, so despite a high level of sophistication of the safety system of nuclear power plants, there is a risk of unexpected nuclear leakage of the accident. Low maintenance cost, nuclear power plants are amount of investment, it is very very difficult. So raw material generation, uranium. So disposing of all these things, the raw material for generation of nuclear energy is uranium, which has to mine, not available in many countries, not available. So it is also scarce resource. So that's why, and whatever the resource we found, disposing of that also a very difficult task. Okay, disposing of that also a difficult task. So that's why disposing of spent fuel safely, this is the main answer. Okay. Okay, so what is used? Uranium. If you get what is the element used for harnessing nuclear energy? This uranium. Okay, so next 14th वाला सबसे इजी क्वेश्चन है आज का। Okay, so a small source of light casts a sharp shadow on an opaque object, shows the nature of light. Light is a ray. Okay, okay, one next। ऐसे क्वेश्चंस तो 100% आपको आना चाहिए। इन डोमेस्टिक इलेक्ट्रिक सर्क्यूट अप्लायंसेस आर connected in series, parallel, mixed, bulbs in series, fans are in parallel. No, everything is in parallel. Domestic electric circuits, all the connections were parallel only, as same voltage is provided to all the appliances, only the current is different. 220 volts is okay. In a domestic electric circuit, appliances are always connected in parallel, so that each and every appliance is provided with a separate switch, so it will operate of its own. If one will stop working, other appliances will work. So that's why all the appliances were connected in parallel only. In the parallel connection, the potential difference is same, but current is different. Okay, so all of you like the session, share with your friends, जितना हो सके उतना ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करो, प्रैक्टिस विल गिव यू अ वेरी गुड रिजल्ट। तो अनअकैडमी लर्निंग ऐप डाउनलोड करने के बाद BM CBSE यूज़ करके सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लेना, 10% का रिडक्शन दूंगी, और अपनी पढ़ाई अच्छी तरह से करना। हैप्पी लर्निंग एंड टेक, यू विल गेट A1। ओके, सो जस्ट प्रैक्टिस इट, जितना हो सके उतना ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करो। BM CBSE इज माई कोड एंड SP विजय ऑल्सो माई कोड। तो प्लस का कॉस्ट ये है, 6 months, 12 months, 18 months का भी ऑप्शन है, अच्छा है। तो 1 month में नो EMI, these 3 are the best of the best options where you will get the EMI facility. and if you have credits also will be added. So EMI facility is available. So VM CBSE and SP Vijaya, both are my code only. So you can just use it for getting 10% of reduction, instant reduction. So SP Vijaya also my code. So these three are the best options. Okay, so just go for it. Go to my profile, follow me there, give me hats, watch my videos every day. I come live in the app, special class 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. Okay, just go for it. PM CBSE is my code. Use my code and get 10% of reduction. ओके जितने भी बच्चे यहाँ हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करो. शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. नॉलेज बांटने से बढ़ता है. ओके सो 9 o'clock को मैं एनसीईआरटी पूरा अच्छी तरह से पढ़ा रही हूँ. जस्ट वॉच दोज वीडियोस ऑल्सो. थैंक यू वन एंड ऑल. अगर अभी तक आपने लेट्स क्रैक 9th and 10th CBSE को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, सब्सक्राइब करो और हिट द बेल आइकॉन फॉर ऑल द नोटिफिकेशन. थैंक यू.